Hola, señora Vaz here with instructions for today. Today, for your actividad inicial, you have to complete this activity. It's similar to the activities that you have been doing. Please read the instructions. It says describe each picture by writing the infinitive from the list that matches the action. So these are, remember that we were learning that infinitives end in AR, ER, or IR. So you are going to type what this person is doing. And it has to turn green. Once you get your score down here, you make a screenshot of the activity and the score and it's submitted. And it says and the space provided below, and that will be right here, file upload. Then you are going to watch what we call Videohistoria. It's a video telling a story. And this is our first Videohistoria 1A. And based on this one, you're going to complete this activity. So let's check what the Videohistoria looks like. It's a video right here. And it shows some students. I'm going to fast forward a little bit. So these are kids just talking.
¿Qué tal? Me llamo Ignacio. Tengo 17 años.
And the kids just keep talking. Somehow my video cut. But so those are students talking, giving information about themselves. You listen to the information and then you're going to complete this activity. This is how the activity looks like. As usual, you need to fill your information and you have the first section. I put the video here, but I also put the Videohistoria here in case that video doesn't work. I put the video here and you have some questions. It says in the video you see teenagers from different places. So, and I put number 1, 2, 3, 4. So you're going to tell me who is from Madrid, España, or where is Madrid, España. So you're going to look in the map and tell me if it's 1, 2, 3, or 4. So you select where is Mexico, San Antonio, San Jose. Okay. And then you're going to tell me where the kids are from. So where are these 2 kids from? And I gave you all the places that you see in the video, and that will you have to choose who comes from where, for what place. For the second part, you have a statement. This is the person that said the statement, and you're gonna say what he said, and the picture can help you. So the person introduces themselves, the people are introducing themselves, and then they are saying what they like to do. So you have the introduction, and then you need to select what they say they like to do. So you look at the pictures, that will help you to figure out what they're saying. For the third activity, you are going to decide what is the right answer for these questions. So your question is in English, but your answers are in Spanish. So you need to select which one corresponds to answer these questions. You got 4 of those. And then you have the last question. This is personal. So you're just going to complete with an activity here. Me gusta, and then you're going to put what you like. A mí me gusta más, and you're going to put what you like better. A mí no me gusta, you're going to put what you don't like. And then a mí no me gusta ni, and then you have to answer one activity, ni, and another activity. You're going to give me 2 activities. Remember that when you say about 2 things that you don't like to do, you have to use ni before each one of them. So that's all that we have, I think. Let's just double check. So we have for today, yes. And once you finish your Videohistoria, you need to go to the Quizlet and practice your vocabulary for a quiz next class. Please remember that if you don't get your answers right the first time, you can try, you can keep trying, you can ask me questions, I can help you, and let me know. Adios.